when I do Rat Trap, believe me, I say it when we do Mondays. I actually stop and say, it can't be what we wrote 50 years ago. It can't be about that. So what happens when you play a song is the sense of that, the emotional sense of it occurs. So today when we do it seriously, there's a feeling of dismay, disgust, despair, that I know this is very Bob, I'm sorry, but it is shared, that's the weird thing, though they may not say it, that they're purposefully starved children in Hungary or in Gaza. That is unbelievable to me. That sickens me. That the bloody fields of Ukraine, that last night 7 more people were bombed by that fucking brute who's currently invading Ukraine. That people don't talk about the 2 million purposely starved children in Sudan, or the mass gang rape of women in Sudan, and if they get over the line, Band-Aid will be there. So, this stuff crowds your head when you play. And it did back then. There was purpose, meaning, sense to the music. It isn't just simply ding-a-ling-a-ling. It just cannot be, and it never was for me, and as it turns out for the band.